Climate change is intensifying, putting pressure on our ecosystems. The frequency and severity of natural disasters, like floods, storms, and wildfires, have increased by 10 times since the middle of the 20th century. At the same time, global socio-political instability caused by conflict and human rights violations displaced over 120 million people the last year. Resilience is the ability to withstand or recover quickly from difficulties. But our current infrastructure is not resilient enough to respond to extreme weather events or social crises. For that reason, the demand for temporary housing is rising. 60 million people needed shelter in 2021, and projections estimate 216 million by 2050. Traditional emergency shelters rely on high-carbon materials like plastics and steel. They require significant transportation and lack durability. More durable solutions exist, but they are not scalable. Construction can take up to 4 days per unit, too slow for an urgent response and specialized handwork. A group of students from the Institute of Future Technologies in Paris has designed the first scalable, bio-sourced solution for both short and long-term shelter. It is easy to transport and easy to assemble. Here's how. Using industrialization principles, they created a system of modular, demountable insulated panels. These panels connect seamlessly to build single or multi-unit shelters in different layouts. They are 100% prefabricated, manufactured in a controlled environment, then transported and deployed on site. Assembly is simple, only 2 types of manual connections, no tools, no prior experience needed. 2 people can build a unit in less than 10 minutes. Each panel consists of a lightweight wood frame and a stability panel covered by a waterproof underlayment. This design allows for various bio-sourced insulation materials like wood or bamboo wool, mycelium, or recycled cardboard, depending on local resources. For facades, they applied biomimetic strategies, cactus-like skins for heat resistance or bear-like skins for cold protection.
Our goal is to industrialize the production of sustainable temporary housing by collaborating with public entities like the United Nations Refugee Agency, the European Union Civil Protection and Humanitarian Aid, and national agencies. We aim to provide the know-how to deploy these shelters. The flexibility of our solution allows us to set up small factories near the affected areas to respond quickly to these emergencies while ensuring durability.
With this solution, they can not only improve the living conditions of millions of refugees, ensuring privacy and dignity for all, but also do it without harming the environment. This is not just about temporary shelters. It is about setting a new standard for construction, one where every structure is designed to evolve, adapt, and support a truly resilient future.